What if we could kill cancer cells? Not with drugs, not with radiation, but with light. Not heat, not chemicals, just light. Scientists have just developed a molecular jackhammer, a nanoscale machine that vibrates so fast it tears cancer cells apart from the inside. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, it's powerful, and in early tests it cleared tumors in half of mice treated. Welcome to Mind and Marvel, where science, survival, and the superhuman collide. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases on Earth, and the current weapons we have, powerful but brutal. Chemotherapy kills fast-dividing cells, cancer and healthy alike. Radiation destroys tissue from the outside in. And surgery isn't always an option, especially for deep or hard-to-reach tumors. Even worse, cancer evolves, often becoming resistant to drugs over time. But what if instead of targeting biology, we targeted physics? In a recent breakthrough, researchers from Rice University and collaborators found a new way to destroy cancer cells. Mechanically. The key? A dye molecule called aminocyanine. When exposed to near-infrared light, this molecule begins to vibrate billions of times per second, acting like a molecular jackhammer. The vibration is so intense it physically ruptures the membranes of cancer cells. The result? The cell literally falls apart, without chemicals or heat. Here's how it works. Aminocyanine dye molecules are injected and bind to cancer cell membranes. Scientists shine near-infrared light on the tissue. The molecules absorb the light and begin synchronized oscillation. These molecular vibrations create mechanical stress, like tiny hammers pounding from within. The stress builds up, until the cancer cell ruptures and dies. Healthy cells remain largely untouched, because the dye is designed to target cancer selectively. In early lab tests, the results were staggering. In petri dishes, 99% of melanoma cancer cells were destroyed. In live mice, 50% of tumors were completely eradicated after treatment, and all of this without any toxic drugs, heat, or radiation, just a molecule and a beam of light. Here's why scientists are excited. Mechanical damage is hard for cancer to resist. No mutations can stop a jackhammer. Unlike drugs, this doesn't rely on chemical pathways. Near-infrared light penetrates deep into tissue, allowing treatment non-invasively. The dye can be targeted to cancer cells, leaving healthy tissue mostly untouched. It's precise, it's clean, and it's potentially revolutionary. As with all new tech, there's a long road ahead. So far, this has only been tested in mice and lab cultures. Human trials are still needed. Researchers are working on targeting, safety, and long-term effects. We don't know yet how this technique performs on different cancer types, or how deep the light can reach in larger human organs. But as a proof of concept, it's groundbreaking. This isn't the first time light has been used in medicine. We've already seen photodynamic therapy, which uses light to activate cancer-killing drugs, laser surgery for precision cuts, optogenetics to control brain activity. But this is different. This is mechanical warfare at the molecular level. Not burning, not poisoning, but vibrating cancer cells to death. And it may open doors we never thought possible. A tiny vibration, a pulse of light, and a cancer cell collapses. We're entering a new age of cancer treatment where medicine and physics collide. If this inspired you, give it a like. Drop a comment on what disease you hope science conquers next. And be sure to subscribe for more breakthroughs from the edge of the human frontier. This is Mind and Marvel, where science, survival, and the superhuman collide.